All right, welcome back to the channel. It is a new day and we are back at the zero turn. If you watched my last video, you'll notice that, or you'll remember that I wrecked one of the anti-scalp wheels. Right here, you can see that it's bent back and it's touching and it won't rotate. So I'm going to take this off and just see what I broke. All right, so it's a 13 mil on the outside and a 14 mil nylock washer on the inside. The wheel seems to be fine, and the axle seems to be fine. So it looks like I've just bent this bracket, and you can just barely see that it is indented, bowed out here. So I'm going to grab a pair of channel locks or adjustable wrench and see if I can pry that back into straightness. So I am just going to use these. I'll put this on here, tighten this down, and then I'm going to whack it with the hammer. So I'll put you down and do that now. So I just hit it a couple times and it looks like I straightened it out a bit. It's kind of still indented, but the issue is the wheel. So it's still a bit bent, but because the wheel is shaped this way, it's not going to make a big difference. It'll put more wear on it, but maybe I'll put a screwdriver in and pinch it. See if I can do that. All right, so now I'm going to hopefully not waller this out a bit, but I'm going to put this in here and see if I can just tap it to make this side straighter. All right, let's see how that fits now. So I've definitely mucked up the hole, but at least it can sit there and spin. So we're gonna run that for now, and I gotta get some grass cut, so we'll pick that up after and we'll see how it goes. All right, so that's on and it spins and it has the right amount of play. So I'm happy with that. It's tracking pretty straight. It's off just a bit. Maybe I can just pull the whole wheel. Put something back here and see if I can pry it. Like that, maybe. That's how it bent, so maybe I'll hit this with a hammer, see how it goes. All right, that seems better. All right, let's run it. can see, that's working pretty well. I'm very happy with that. I'm so happy to get my lawn cut. It was well overdue. You can see by the chaff that's been spit out on the sides. So I won't let it go as long this time. I won't let it go as long as next time, so that I can mulch this up a bit better and let it get into the grass bed. I'm pretty happy with the lawn. Yes, there's lots of stumps, so there's no way I can get to that this year, so they'll just have to wait. I can't do that kind of work this summer, so we'll have to pick that up next year. I'm just saying, my gosh, thanks for the My Ride system on the Toro. It really saves back. The ability for it to undulate and move separately from the deck is so if you're in the market for a new zero turn, check out the My Ride system. It is fabulous. And what's nice about it is it has demonstrate different levels of the suspension, so you dial it into your preferred comfort ride, takes out your weight. And that'll be it for this video. Just a short video about fixing that anti-scalp wheel, I guess. I might try to bend it out a bit further, because you did see it is still on a bit of an angle, but because they're kind of rounded and stuff, it's not making it. I'll just keep watching it, and we'll take it from there. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. What did you do on your land today? Because today I fixed the anti-scalp wheel, and I got to mowing my lawn, which was well overdue. Leave me a comment as to what you did. Thanks. We'll see you in the next one.